Good evening friends, myself Satyam Misra and here I am going to make a video of very important topic of grammar, and that is direct indirect. So here I will tell you all the important rules that is related and which is very helpful while changing any direct sentence into indirect. So first of all I am going to tell you the conversion of tenses. Means while you are going to change any direct sentence from direct to indirect, so what will be the conversion in tense? So first of all you should know that if the reported speech is in present indefinite or in present simple, so that reported speech is going to be changed in past indefinite. If there is present continuous reported speech, so that reported speech will change in past continuous. If there will be reported speech of present perfect, then it will change in past perfect. If that sentence will be in present perfect continuous, then it will change in past perfect continuous. If that is in past indefinite, so that will change in past perfect. If that reported speech is in past continuous, that is going to be changed in past perfect continuous. And past perfect, there will be no change. Means past perfect reported speech will be in the same in past perfect. And in past perfect continuous, there will be no changes. Means that past perfect continuous reported speech will be the same in that sentence. And one more thing, whenever you are going to change any future indirect speech into indirect, so will change in would, shall change in should, can change in could, may change in might, and must change in had to. There are so many changes in that direct indirect sentence, like as today change in that day, tonight change in that night, yesterday change in the previous day, last night will change in the previous night, tomorrow will change in the next day, this change in that, these change in those, hence change in then, hence change in thence, now change in then, and before change in after. There are so many rules in direct and indirect which I tell you here. After this, you should know one very important thing, and that is if you are saying that the reporting verb, if the reporting verb is in present simple or in future simple, then the tense of reported speech is not going to be changed. It means reported speech tense will be changed when your reporting verb will be in past tense. Here I am going to give few example. Friends, one more thing. Before giving you any example of direct indirect in assertive sentence, I would like to make you clear there is an important rule in direct indirect, that is SOM by 1 to 3. It is going to be implemented through the help of this case chart. It means if you are saying that in reporting verb, if your subject is in first person, so that first person is going to change according to the subject of reporting verb. If you are saying that the second person is there, means your is there at the place of object, so that second person is going to change according to the object. And if you are saying that there is third person, there will be no change. Same like as he is going to change in him in objective case, it will change in his in possessive case. If you are saying she is there, so that she will change in her in objective case, and it will change in her and hers in possessive case. If there is it, so it will change in it in objective case, it will change in its in possessive case. If there is I, so it will change in me in objective case, and in possessive it will change in my and mine. If there is we, so this will change in us in objective case, and it will change in our and ours in possessive case. If there is you, so it will change in you in objective case, and in possessive it will change in your and yours. And if there is they, so this they is going to be changed in them in objective case, and in possessive it will change in their and theirs. So this was related case chart. It means if you are saying in reported speech the subject is in first person, it means if I and we is there, so that I and we is going to change according to the subject of reporting verb. And if here you are saying you and your, so that is going to be changed according to the object of reporting verb. And if there is he, she, it, they, any names, so there is no change because that is third person. So these all the rule is going to be implemented while changing a direct sentence into indirect. But there are 4 cases that is known as exceptional sentence, where there will be no changes in reported speech. Either the reporting verb is in present simple, either the reporting verb is in past, either the reporting verb is in future. Reporting verb, if there is reporting verb in any tense, the reported speech is not going to be changed, because there are 4 exceptional sentences, 4 exceptional cases in direct and indirect. Suppose here is a sentence, he said to me, the earth moves round the sun. So this is related to the universal truth. This is a universal truth sentence. So in this case, only we will change this said to in told. First of all, you will write he as the place of subject. Then said to will change in told, because this is assertive sentence. Then we will write object me is here. Then we have to write that to remove this comma, inverted comma. As we know कि कॉमा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को हटाने के लिए हम that का प्रयोग करते हैं. After using this that, we have to write this reported speech sentence in the same way. There will be no change, because this is universal truth sentence. So this sentence will be the same. The earth moves round the sun. There is no change. Same here, if you are seeing any sentence of habitual habit, मतलब अगर कोई आदत प्रकट होता हो, so in that case, this reporting verb said to will change in told, and we use that at the place of comma, inverted comma, but there will be no change in reported speech. Suppose Ram, so this will be same, this said to will change in told, this will be me here, and then comma, inverted comma को हटाने के लिए that, and then the whole sentence will be same. There will be no change, because this is habitual habit. And another sentence, if there is any proverb, like as my father said to me, honesty is the best policy, the same thing is going to be happen. Here you will change, you will write only told at the place of said to, and then you will write that to remove this comma, inverted comma. But the reported speech sentence will be same. There will be no change. So what you will write, my father told me that honesty is the best policy. Another sentence is there that is related historical event or historical accident. So in the same way, if there is said to, it is going to be changed in told. So what you will write, Ravi told me. Then you will write that to remove comma, inverted comma. Ravi told me that. And this sentence will be same. There are 7 wonders in the world. So this all what I have told you here, these all are related to the rules of direct, indirect in detail. In next video, I will make you clear about the first types of direct, indirect, and that is assertive sentence. Thank you very much.